All right, guys, we have the charger right behind us here. The sound that it makes through the speakers honestly sounds better than a real one, I think. I mean, it's electric, it's quiet, so I don't know. Where's the speakers, bro? That's a serious speaker, eh?
With no consequences. Just sit on it like this.
I want to take this to a car show or a car meet. I'll be that one dude just revving my electric car.
Plug in your ears?
Feature number 2, this massive trunk where you can keep your golf bags and your other girlfriend. What's going on, guys? Thank you so much for watching. We have a lot of stuff in store in this video for you guys. Make sure you guys keep liking, subscribing, and let's get it, baby. All right, guys, so we have this brand new Dodge Ram in. It came from Von Chrysler, new partners that we're gonna be working with. We had an amazing meeting today with, I think, 4 of their partner dealerships with Dewari Group. So we're gonna be, so we're gonna be getting a bunch of, where's phone, man? Let me put this on silent. We just did a couple for Von Chrysler last week. And to do the meeting today, I was like, it'd be perfect if we have something that we could demo and show the actual F&I managers and the GMs live work being done on especially one of their products. So this was perfect. We picked it up last night around 7 o'clock. Harvey was here all night polishing, getting the car ready for PPF. PPF already commenced. We already did the fenders. I think the front grills are done. We're still gonna do the bumpers, the hood, mirrors, A-pillars, all that stuff. But we did a kill switch on it too. So we showed them how that worked. So we're gonna be pushing it for the dealership as well. And
because that's something big as well, like the kill switches.
Yeah, especially Dodge Rams, like these are getting stolen like crazy, right? So a lot of their products, the Wranglers and the Durangos. So now that we're gonna be offering this for them, it'll be a pretty much, I think, like a standard package, I think, that everyone's gonna get. M5 Touring, almost done. Mr. Javier is wiping it down for ceramic coating now. This thing, once it goes down, like you're gonna see that even though it's PPF, that it just enhances it even more. Like there's something in the ceramic that just like makes the paint look so much better.
Like a nice sunny day to see it outside.
With the metallic, yeah. What's this guy watching in the background, bro? Who is that?
Dilipa.
Oh, Dilipa? You like Dilipa? I was like, what's going on over there in the background?
It's not the same.
What is this? And then when you change the drive modes, the speakers get quieter. So now it's in standard. It's not making any noise. Switch it to sport.
No.
Shit, I don't want to blow the motor, man.
Yeah, you don't want to blow the motor.
I'm revving it so much. I didn't even let it warm up.
What's the other modes? Is there just normal and sport?
So this is sport, then it's wet and snow, which I guess so.
Drive this in the snow?
Bro, I want to take this to a car show or a car meet, and I'll be that one dude just revving my electric car. I'll get so much hate.
I wonder if you could add in your own custom
I guess
sound.
so. So if this is like, so this is technically an audio file, right?
Yeah.
That's being played. Bro,
Could you just, like how Teslas have...
like maybe.
Yeah, like plug in a
We
USB?
gotta find, there's some tech guys out there that'll probably do it.
That's gonna be one of the customizations you can add.
Imagine putting the Honda noise in it, a little 4-banger. It's like this.
A JDM noise on this car.
I wish they had like RPMs like on this.
Yeah,
Do they not?
No, it's so older.
But I thought it'd be like just to show it.
I would be doing this all the time.
Bro, I'm just piss people off.
Yeah. It does nothing to the like there's nothing.
Yeah.
It's fine.
You don't feel bad about like.
No, you don't feel bad about anything.
Yeah. The motor.
Yeah. There's nothing getting hot. It's you just with no consequences.
You stopped at a red light. Just
Yeah. Just sit on it like this. Track. Oh wait.
Never
Oh
mind.
no, that's just the. So it's the paddles and the. Oh, the paddles on or off.
So it just mimics. Remember you were saying.
It is-
Yeah, I
mimics
think
the
that's
shifting?
probably what it does.
There's technically no transmission.
Yeah, but why does it need paddles?
Just to give you the feeling of shifting
That's-
gears.
Does it change sounds when you?
Yeah, no, it'll.
It probably will.
I think it does. Like.
Yeah. So when you put it in auto, like. Oh, this is it.
Power shot?
That's the NOS button.
That's.
Is it legal to just rev it as much as you want? Because
Why not? Why would they? It's a sound. It's the,
It's noticeably louder back here. I feel like.
they're sitting right above the speaker.
All right, guys, we have the Charger right behind us here, and the car came out insane. Honestly, we were super surprised when this car came in, especially the sounds it was making. It's electric, if you don't know. So it's kind of weird to see a car that was iconic and it was like a muscle car back in the days now electric, right? So 100%. But it still has obviously that beefy look. The sound that it makes through the speakers honestly sounds better than a real one, I think. So, I mean, we'll see how it does in the market and how people are gonna really gravitate to the car.
These are brand new.
Yeah, brand new. At the auto show, you seen like a bunch of people that were just around the whole car the whole time. So, I mean, let's see. The car came out really dope. We did full prep on this. So decon, clay, polish, did full front end PPF. We did the racing stripes in satin black with a red gloss stripe on the other side of it. We did the tints on the sides all the way around in 20%. Blacked out the reflectors on the sides. And honestly, with a car that's this aggressive, a hood that's this aggressive, bumper that's this aggressive, you cannot see any seam lines. Usually there's seams everywhere. This is bulked all in one piece. We stretched it over and everything is all tucked in, so you don't even see that there's PPF. And like, again, it takes a lot of talent for you to be able to do that, one, and we charge accordingly, obviously, for the work that we do. So again, you can get work done elsewhere, you'll get the cheaper price, but we've seen cars, you guys seen it on our channel as well, where cars come in all hacked up. We don't do that stuff here. When we take something on, we make sure that we go to the full mile, and this is the kind of work that we put out, and this is why we just locked up this dealer. We locked up 5 of the dealers with Dilwari Group. If that's how you pronounce it. Remember, we were trying to see if the W was silent because they were pronouncing it without the W. But yeah, Javier's finishing this up. He just finished the coating. He has to do the front bumper and I think the back bumper on this. And is the door open on the other side?
Lock it first, twice.
Hold on. Lock. I mean, it's electric, it's quiet, so I don't know. Where's the speakers, bro? Where's the speakers? I don't hear nothing. Is it on? That's a serious speaker, eh? Johnny. Bro, take it, that's a speaker.
I know. I heard one of these go by on the street. It's crazy.
I want to see what it sounds like outside, like
On the street, watch, let me rev this thing. Drive mode.
modes too. We were going.
Yeah, the drive modes. Oh, man. What's power shot? Sport? Why can't I change this? Maybe I have to close the door? Give me a second. Oh, it's because it was still in the start mode. I had to actually push the start. Oh my God. That is crazy.
It's loud in here. It's very.
It's loud in here. The whole floor shook. Like, watch, let me start it again. That sounds actually so cool. Sounds like a Jetsons,
Yeah.
you know? Watch this. Bro, like my ass is shaking in here. It's like that. It feels like you're in a V8. Like.
Like once you understand this car isn't a muscle car, it's like it's cool.
It's pretty cool. All right, guys. So we have the 24s for the Tesla Cybertruck. We were talking about it in one of the vlogs before, where we were gonna decide on obviously which style of wheel to go with and what tire. The customer does like the rugged look and the tuner style, so this was a perfect combo that we did. We did the Nitto Ridge Grapplers. Gives you that smaller profile on the side, still gives you that mutter kind of look, but it's really quiet when you drive, because one thing people hate is with these mud tires, when you put them on trucks, Jeeps, it's so loud. It just sounds like a freaking groaning noise the whole time. So I have these on my pickup truck. I love it. This feels like a stock tire. And then we went with this beautiful Boston hybrid forged wheel with that nice tuner look. And then this flange piece that's literally floating right on top of the face. It gives it a little bit more of that rugged look. So once we put this on the truck, I think it's gonna absolutely make the truck look insane. It's gonna bring the whole wrap and everything together. This was the one that we did in the wine color for Falcon Media. So stay tuned for that. We're gonna be putting this on the vehicle probably in the next week or so and getting ready for the summertime.
And then are we gonna possibly do rollers with that?
Oh, that's when we're gonna do the rollers. I think we saved it. We're like, you know what? We might as well do the rollers with these wheels instead of the factory wheels.
And when it's a little warmer, so you know, stay longer.
And then people will be like all gravitating to the car, how the last one we did. So it'd be cool to get that experience. So I think, yeah, the next week or 2 weeks, hopefully we have good weather. And then, yeah, we'll rock it out. Show you guys a full final product on that thing. Guys, the Charger is complete. It looks absolutely phenomenal. The shine on a white car to look like this is only possible, obviously, you know, when we touch the cars. The car looks beautiful. That's all I can say. It sounds dope. You're definitely gonna see it on the road. Stay tuned for the rollers on this one. But I think, yeah, we'll do a features video. Yeah. I think that'd be cool. Like 5 things I love about the Charger.
If you guys are down, you guys can do it.
You got an extra mic too?
Yeah,
oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm not in the video.
Yeah, Alex hates being on camera. Yeah. Ethan was like, bro, what is that? Like,
Bro, I'm just sitting there at like red lights.
He's thinking about his little toy car that has a speaker in it because it has like the car sound. He's like, wow, and in real life? I'm like, yeah, that's your generation, buddy. I don't know. We grew up with real gasoline.
Yeah.
You know? 2, 1, go ahead.
The first feature has to be the new R-Wing.
You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. You have, because remember, this pulls like.
Okay, this pulls is
Yeah.
Okay.
You can even.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay, so I'll do it quick. So, feature number 2.
Yeah.
Massive trunk where you can keep your golf bag and your other girlfriend. Yeah. All right.
And then you could be like, there's also storage space up front.
Yeah, you say that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But remember, in the lens. Feature number 2, this massive trunk where you can keep your golf bags and your other girlfriend.
And there's more space up front.
That was really good. That was really good. That was really good.
This is gonna be dope. This is something different, you know? I think it's gonna blow up on the ground. Go ahead. Feature number 4, one of my favorites. 64 different colors for you guys to choose from.
Oh, you gotta say ambient lighting.
64. Ah.
Say you're gonna be like the noise. This thing actually shakes the whole building when you start it up. And then I was thinking at the end you could be like, now check out some sound clips from the road.
Number 5.
Plugging your ears?
Oh,
And then you should go upstairs. Honestly, he's all good.
Yeah, and then you're gonna do the rest. We're just gonna say like the sound. This thing actually shakes the room. I cannot advise.
With the Corvette in the back is.
Well, we just do the audio clip and be like, guess the car. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
3. The sound actually shakes the entire building. Stay tuned for our rollers.
It's peaking my mic, and I'm not even close to it.
Really, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, this has that auto brake.
Does it have it?
Charge level low. Brake thing off. I hate that. It makes you like feel sick, no?
I don't think so.
Because I know with Teslas you can turn it off, like the auto generate
No,
regenerative.
no, this one you can't.
Should we drift it or what? You can. Traction control's off. All right, reverse back. It sounds so crazy even in the tunnel. Like, it's just nuts. All right, good, good, good. You should see the we do with our own cars. We do some crazy shit.
I see it in the YouTube.
Oh yeah. We'll be drifting the whole thing, like doing some crazy stuff. Yo, drive's nice, bro. Honestly, feels like a V8. Go down Evans. Yeah. Yeah. He has balls. I'm just trying to get the revs up so you can have audio clips, you know? I'll shut it off. Serve some energy, you know? Some energy. Who would have thought an electric car will sound better than a V8? Make sure you guys keep watching. We got a lot more stuff coming for you guys this summer. Let's go, baby.